How sustainable is the current economic performance if it relies heavily on government intervention and targeted support programs?
Okay, that's a very good question. You have to understand that the Philippine economy is 70% driven by consumer spending. And as long as everybody spends, we have a good indicator, which is consumer uh, confidence, which is already signaling that they're willing to start spending again now that inflation is well controlled. The problem is the business sentiment. People are hesitant to spend because the business climate is not there. But once people and consumers confidence is very important because especially for households, once they start feeling comfortable to spend, that is actually a very good signal for business to further expand. But one of the other indicators that business look at is the beginnings of government spending, particularly in infrastructure, so that there is a slight push in the economy that will accelerate business sentiment. And that's what was absent in the third quarter of 2025.